Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you are trying to open the Microsoft Store or download an application in Windows 11 and receive an error stating the server stumbled, it is usually caused by a disabled background service or a network proxy conflict. I will show you exactly how to reconnect to the Microsoft servers and fix this right now. Let's get started. First, the Microsoft Store relies entirely on the background Windows Update service to securely communicate with external servers and authenticate downloads. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc into the text field and press Enter to launch your System Services Manager. Scroll down near the bottom of the alphabetical list and double-click the entry named Windows Update. Change the Startup Type drop-down menu to Automatic, click the Start button if the service is currently stopped, and click Apply. Next, an accidentally enabled or misconfigured network proxy will actively intercept your traffic and block the store from reaching its destination. Open your Windows settings, navigate to the Network and Internet tab on the left sidebar, and click on Proxy. Look under the Manual Proxy Setup section and click Setup to ensure that the Use a Proxy Server switch is completely toggled off. Additionally, make sure the Automatically Detect Settings toggle at the very top is turned on so Windows can properly route your connection. Finally, if your network and services are perfectly configured but the server error persists, the store's local cache is likely holding corrupted login data. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard again to open the Run box. Type wsreset.exe into the text field and press the Enter key. A blank black command prompt window will appear on your screen. Simply leave it alone until it automatically closes, which will instantly launch a fresh, working Microsoft Store. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.